Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to share live location on WhatsApp. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to open up your WhatsApp, then go to whatever conversation that you want to send your location to. I'm gonna open this one here, for example. Then click on this icon right here, which looks like the pen. Click on it, then click on location. And now you will have many options, but make sure that you should enable your GPS. So I'm gonna click on OK. Then I will choose local access. I will turn it on, then go back, and now I can share my location. Now you have many options. You can share live location or send your current location. Now let's say that I'm gonna send my current location. It will send the location that I am on it right now. You can choose also whatever locations that you have been in the previous days or something, or the locations that you usually go to. And you can also share your live location. When you click on share live location, you have now 3 options. You can share it for 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hour. Then you can click on this icon right here. And this person right now can see my own live location for about an hour. As you can see, till 10 and 21 minutes. And you can simply click on stop sharing in order to cancel sharing your live location with this person. So if I move from a point to a point while using this live share location, he will actually see my movements. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.